Kinds of adverbs. Here you can see the basic kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us something about the time that something happens. Adverbs of time mainly modify verbs. They can answer the question when. We recently bought a new car. I have heard this before. Recently and before, these all are adverbs of time. Some words expresses adverbs of time, never, lately, just, always, recently, etc. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place illustrate where the verb is happening. Please sit here. He is staying at my home. In this sentence, here at my home expresses adverbs of place. Some word expresses adverbs of place. Here, there, now, here, everywhere, out, below, and outside. Adverbs of manners. These adverbs describes the manner of an action or the way of occurrence of an action. They answer the question how. Adverbs of manner mainly modify verbs. He drives his cars fast. How does he drive his cars? Mostly of adverbs will end in ly. Some word expresses adverbs of manner neatly, slowly, quickly, calmly, etc. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree explain the level or intensity of a verb, adjective, or even another adverb. She entirely agrees with him. He reads clearly. Entirely and clearly both are adverbs of degree. Some word expresses adverb of degree almost, nearly, enough, just, hardly, simply, so on.